subjects sa inyong nanay. And I am 18 years old and I came from Cagayan Valley, particularly in Ballesteros. And yeah, I know it's very far away, but then again, I took chances to get into MMSU. Because why not? I know that the quality of education here is standard. And unfortunately, I didn't get to pass my priority courses, which is the allied health courses. But the good news is, I did pass the interview for biology. And so currently, I am in biology 1B, which is an achievement. Still an achievement for me because MMSU. And then, rating my English skill as 5.5 out of 10 or like 6 out of 10 because I'm not really fluent in speaking English, and there's a lot of words, vocabulary words that I am not really familiar with and I don't know how to use them, but I think this subject will help me into developing that. And also I know that the English language is the standard language, which makes it crucial for us to learn. And so yeah, that's a challenge for me. And another information about me is that I love playing instruments such as guitar, kalimba, and ukulele. I do know some other instruments too, but just a little bit. I think I need to learn about it too. It's like English, and yeah, that's all. And yeah, oh yeah. One thing more. Everyone, if you're gonna ask me if where's Tatay, he's in heaven. That was that was a joke, sort of a dad joke, but I don't have a dad. Okay, bye.